Have you ever felt like you have limited control over your own money, like the system is rigged against you? Traditional financial systems often have many rules. These rules can be restrictive and hard to understand. These rules can be confusing, they can feel limiting. They often require you to jump through hoops just to access your own funds. Bitcoin offers a new way, a way that is simpler and more direct. It puts you in control. You decide how and when to use your money. Imagine a world where you can send money anywhere instantly. Imagine low fees, no more waiting for days for a transaction to clear. Imagine no need for banks, no more middlemen taking a cut of your money. This is the promise of Bitcoin. A decentralized currency for everyone. Bitcoin is a digital currency. It's not tied to any country or government. It's a new kind of money, one that is global and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. It operates on a decentralized network. This means it is powered by its users. This means no single entity controls it. No central authority can manipulate it, not governments, not banks. It's a system built on trust and transparency. This freedom is what makes Bitcoin so appealing to many people. It represents financial independence. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the world of Bitcoin. We'll uncover its potential and its challenges. We'll explore how it works and why it matters. Stay tuned to learn more about this revolutionary technology. Bitcoin is digital money, often referred to as cryptocurrency. You can't hold it in your hand. It exists only online in a virtual form. Think of it like email for money. Just as you send an email, you can send Bitcoin. You can send and receive Bitcoin using a computer or smartphone, making transactions easy and convenient. Transactions are recorded on a public ledger which everyone can see. This ledger is called the blockchain, a revolutionary technology. The blockchain is like a giant digital book with pages that can't be altered. It keeps track of every Bitcoin transaction ever made, ensuring accuracy. This ensures transparency and security. Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning no single entity has control. This is a key feature as it promotes fairness and equality. No single institution controls it, unlike traditional currencies. This makes it resistant to censorship and manipulation, giving users more freedom. This is different from traditional currencies, which are often subject to government policies. Traditional currencies are controlled by central banks, which can influence their value. Bitcoin was created in 2009, marking the beginning of a new era in digital currency. It was introduced by a mysterious person or group called Satoshi Nakamoto, whose identity remains one of the greatest mysteries in the tech world. The true identity of Satoshi remains unknown, adding an element of intrigue and speculation. This anonymity adds to the mystique of Bitcoin, making it a subject of fascination and curiosity. The Bitcoin white paper laid out the foundation for this revolutionary technology, detailing its potential to change the financial landscape. It described a peer-to-peer electronic cash system which would enable direct transactions between users without intermediaries. This system would allow online payments to be made seamlessly and securely. These payments would be sent directly from one party to another, eliminating the need for a middleman. No need for a financial institution meant lower transaction fees and faster processing times. The first Bitcoin was mined in 2009, a significant milestone that marked the birth of the cryptocurrency. This event symbolized the beginning of a new financial era, the birth of cryptocurrency. The rest, as they say, is history, with Bitcoin achieving numerous milestones over the years. Bitcoin has come a long way since its humble beginnings, evolving into a major player in the financial world. It has gained significant attention and adoption worldwide, becoming a global phenomenon that continues to grow. How Bitcoin works, a look under the hood. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on the blockchain. This is a public ledger. It's like a digital record book. Every transaction is verified by multiple computers on the network. These computers are called miners. They use powerful computers. They solve complex mathematical problems. This process is called mining. Miners are rewarded with Bitcoin. They also receive transaction fees. This process secures the network. It ensures the integrity of transactions. This makes it extremely difficult to cheat or double spend Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin matters, decentralization and the future of finance. Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It represents a paradigm shift. It's about decentralization. It's about empowering individuals. Traditional financial systems are centralized. They rely on intermediaries. Banks, for example, these institutions have control over your money. Bitcoin removes the need for intermediaries. This gives individuals more control. Bitcoin transactions are also transparent. They are traceable on the blockchain. This can help reduce fraud and corruption. This transparency can foster trust in the system. Bitcoin in a nutshell. Key takeaways. Bitcoin is a digital currency. It operates on a decentralized network. This means no single entity controls it. Transactions are recorded on the blockchain. This is a public ledger. This ledger ensures transparency and security. Bitcoin has the potential to revolutionize finance. It offers a more secure, transparent, and accessible financial system. This is why it's important to understand Bitcoin. It's more than just a tech trend. It's a movement. Dive deeper into the world of Bitcoin. This is just a brief introduction to Bitcoin. There's much more to learn. We encourage you to explore further, read articles and books, watch videos and documentaries, join online forums and communities. The world of Bitcoin is constantly evolving. There's always something new to discover. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Engage with the community. The more you learn, the more you'll appreciate the revolutionary potential of Bitcoin.